Hi guys, there's a question on Discord, and that's what we do, right? ArcoLinux Educational. You ask us questions. It's already on the internet because the project is 6-year-old with 3,500 videos. But this video I did not find myself, so here it is. What if you are playing with this particular desktop, which is called ArcoCH8 so a fork of DWM, and we've made it our way, our view and our design. If you want to change and go inside the code, if I search on the ArcoLinux YouTube channel, I want to know more information about this and about that. Your configuration, the heart of your DWM, CH8 is this one and that one. This is just for us guys who are in a disadvantage that we have Azerty rather than QWERTY. The only difference between this one and that one is going to be major. This difference is going to be the keys. So compare, see what's in there. And I've been playing around with my own settings. So you have your settings, the default settings, and I've trying here now JetBrains mono nerd font mono style bold size 13, a little bit different. And for the rest, I've hashtagged this one out, which I probably will release as well later on. So you are in control of your code. This is Azerty stuff, but this one is then compare more, no, exactly the same. And why is that? And that's the topic of the video. The title will be CH8 configuration files and these names. If you do your changes, if you want to change stuff, do them in here in the def. Delete this. You know it's exactly the same. And watch what happens. If we type make, whoa, let's not shout. If we type make, this happens. Basically, it's the same. Problem is, if you run make again, he will use this one, not that one. So before you do a make and a make install, you delete this one. That's your procedure. Delete it and then sudo make install, and the code is in there. And maybe a reboot in the sense of super shift R in many tiling window managers. That's the combo. Doesn't always work. So maybe a logout or a reboot is in order. But there you go. That's the topic of the video. That's what I wanted to share as well online. Cheers.